What's up, everyone? Bret Wallace, your Fort Bend County Realtor, here in the Galleria on this beautiful day. So I want to do an outdoor video for you guys and talk about bulletproofing your offer when the time comes to make an offer on a property that you love. So get a quick shot of the famous Williams Tower. Used to be called the Transco Tower. This is the epicenter of Houston, the Galleria area. So yeah, back to bulletproofing your offer. So when you find the home you want, make sure that your agent does a few things. You want to make a clean offer, all at one time, not piecemeal. Don't send in 4 different emails and piecemeal the other agent to death. Get a clean PDF file, preferably DocuSigned electronic signature with the lender pre-approval letter, all the disclosures that have been uploaded to the listing. Let's make it easy for the other agent and the seller to review. And that way it gives them perception that, hey, the other party has their stuff straight. They're good. They're good to go. Call your lender. Make sure that they're on standby to receive a call from the seller's agent. Because I know when I get an offer from somebody, the first thing I do is I call the lender. Why? Because I want to make sure that the money is going to come if we accept this offer. That the people have had their taxes reviewed, their paycheck stubs, their checking accounts, their savings, whatever. I want to make sure that these people are good to go and that they're valid candidates for a mortgage loan. So that's one step. And when you tell the other agent that, say, hey, Doug or Steve or whoever your lender is on standby waiting to talk to you to confirm that our borrowers are legit and they're strong people, that goes a long way with the other agent. So we don't want to have any mistakes. I mean, sometimes there's one, but make sure that you have a realtor that is professional, that's going to present your offer in a professional manner, not some haphazard way with missing fields or scanned in or faxed in, even worse. That doesn't really happen much more any of these days, but if you're faxing and it comes in all crooked and half the numbers are garbled and you can't see stuff, it's just off-putting as an agent to have to review that, because we're thinking automatically, great, I'm gonna have to do both sides of this deal. So that's what we're thinking as agents. So yeah, bulletproofing your offer. And also, if say a home's listed at 250 grand, you're gonna come in at say 240 and then ask for everything under the sun, survey, this expense, HOA, have the seller pay for everything. At every give and take you're taking from the seller, offer 239 and say you'll pay for all these little nickel and dime things. That way you're only fighting them on one thing, sales price. It's just a little off-putting. Again, I keep using that word, but it just puts a bad taste sometimes in the seller's mouth if every single thing on every page they're turning, they're being asked and told to pay for it on the offer. So it's the same net, just offer a tad bit less, but say, hey, I'll pay for all these little small things, and let's just negotiate on price. It just makes the seller feel better. In situations where there's multiple offers, there is a way to, if it's a must-have for your buyer, you can tell the other agent, hey, if you show me another offer after the multiple offers and the highest and best option is over, or the highest and best period's over, we're gonna go $500 or $1,000, depending on the price point of the home. If you're at $1 million, obviously $500 isn't gonna matter much. So, but if you're at the $200,000, $300,000 price point, you say, hey, we'll go $1,000 above your the best offer, or $1,500, and say, hey, you're going to want to work with us. We're committed to buying. My people are solid. They've been looking for this, such and such long a time. So you can do that and say, hey, we will make $1,000 higher offer than the next best offer, or the best offer, if that's what it takes to lock in the deal. So that's bulletproofing the offer. If you want to see any other videos or have any other questions or concerns or topics you want to see addressed, please leave a comment below. Let me know. Hope you're having a great year so far, and anything you guys need, let me know. I really appreciate you watching this video. Have a great one.